Real life applications of machine learning. Machine learning is just for tech geeks. You are using it every single day. Let me prove it to you in 90 seconds. Number 1, face unlock. Your phone recognizes you thanks to ML facial recognition. Number 2, YouTube and Netflix suggestions. ML tracks what you like and recommends better content. Number 3, Google Maps. It uses historical plus live data to predict traffic. Number 4, spam filters. Gmail knows what's spam because it learned from thousands of email. Number 5, healthcare. ML helps doctors detect disease from X-ray and scans. Machine learning is already shaping your life. In the next 90 seconds, let's crack the difference between AI, ML, and deep learning. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master of Data Science.